Hey, you doing? Stephane from Blue Bayou, and today there's a little bit of everything. But if you stay till the end, at the end there, I am putting one of those hand dryers. And kid you not, it'll take me about 2 minutes to put in, maybe 5 at the most. I think it's the quickest hand dryer you will find. I can give you guys a link there at the bottom of where I took it, which one it is. I think it's $200 and something on Amazon, but pretty amazing. But in the meantime, I want to show you what I'm gonna start working on here at Blue Bayou, and I'm gonna show you a few other things that we've did this week. Doing Stephane from Blue Bayou, and we're gonna be starting a new project. It's gonna be for the kids. We want to make sure that the kids, when they come here, something I wanted to do last year, but with the COVID and all that there, and everybody around the province would do, in Ontario too, they were putting like, they were like preventing people from going to playground at the time last year. So I was like, oh, geez, why build a campground and playground and you can't even go play in it? So I'm removing some of the wood from the whole house, and I just brought some beams here today. And there it is. I'm going to be using these pieces, real whole pieces, and they're all 6x6, strong enough for swings anyway. You could say that this will be the oldest swing set around here. Because they don't cut wood like this anymore. This was cut with an axe, I think. You just take a log and just take an axe and chip the side of it until it becomes the size you want. So those are the cross members. We're gonna build it pretty much just the way it was that we took it apart, so that we kind of follow the same. We'll use the same holes and all of it, so it's going to be kind of neat. And we're going to have these nice beams to hang our swings, and we're going to do that where the zip line is. So let's go show you where that's going to be. So we're going to go for a little ride. You guys want to take a ride on my Kubota? I'll hold you with this because I drive with this hand. There's no seat belt on this thing. Taking you along for the ride, and we also finished putting the teepees today. So we got 2 of them up there. There's another one that I need to put up, but she needs a little bit of attention before I put it up there. I need to fix something on it. So we put the teepees today. We got 1 teepee right here. Supposed to be 1 right there. Like I said, I still gotta do some fixing up. And then I have 1 down there. So we're gonna have 3 teepees, just like last year and the year before. You can see that one, it's got electricity. And that ring there in the middle, that's a fire pit. So whatever you see there is in here. So there's a fire pit and electricity, GFI protected. Same thing in there, there's a fire pit and there's electricity, GFI protected. And here's the water. This water here is to service all 3 sites. And all right, let's go to the zip line. Zip lines are where the domes are. Oh, a little chipmunk right there. Yeah, that's a squirrel. They're not big around here. A squirrel. They're the same size as chipmunks. Not afraid at all. Hey, buddy, want to go on the zip line? All right. We have the zip line. We just built this thing this morning. The platform anyway. I need some kind of a step to get up there. We'll figure that one out. And yeah, it's meant for 200 pounds, and that's exactly what I weigh. You guys want to go for a ride? Let's go for a ride. Sorry, there's no steps. So this is an area where it's open, which this is dome 14 right there. That's dome 15. So dome 15 will be enjoying people's, and that 16. And the one behind 16 is 17. And because this is open and it's less in the wood here, I do want to build some gazebos. I'll start with the gazebo. I want to build gazebos for all of them, but I will start up here for the gazebos. And you see the tree down there? And that's where we're gonna put that frame. We're probably gonna put it like somewhere over on the right side right there of the tree. Again, I got the beam so that we can figure out where to put sonotubes, because I'm gonna put sonotubes in the ground. I'm gonna put the beams sitting on the sonotubes and all anchored up. And this zip line is going to be incorporated into this play area there where the tree is. It's going to be like somewhat of a tree house, play fort, swing set, and zip line, and whatever you want to call it there. I don't have any plans for it. It's all going to be built with whatever I got here, using 6x6s, and I've got the swings. I've ordered all the accessories on Amazon, like this zip line right here. And yeah, so I usually don't use this, but see if I can do it with one hand. Let's go for a zip line. Zip lining at the bayou. Okay. Maybe I should hold this. All right. Whoa. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Well, there you go. Guys, one zip line. She's pretty cool. Not as long as Terrence's zip line, but took me half a day to put it up. So yeah, that's gonna be, the kids can come here and enjoy play fort playground. I think it's gonna be something that kids will remember, and maybe they'll beg their parents, hey, I want to go back to the bayou, I want to go back to the bayou, playground, bayou. No, it's a lot of our domes are the double queen, and they're meant for families. So let's go to the bathroom facility. Bathroom facility. Okay, this is another area where the house is down there, the water's down there. It's lot 11, it's lot 10, lot 9, Lot 12 and 13 are very popular because of being underneath trees and all that. It's nice to camp and do a campfire in there. It's kind of neat. So is 11, very popular. Any of these ones are all treed in. Where we were, where the zip line is, it's down there where it's all open. Now I'm at the bathroom facility. So I'm gonna work in the boys' bathroom. I bought these things on Amazon, hand dryers, and I like it because you can plug them instead of wiring them. Most of the ones that you have to wire are 220 volts. And I can put it here because there's a plug here. And yeah, and it's G5 protected. And also, give me a second. Okay, G5 protected. And just next to the sink. But I'm thinking of putting it here. Just to take it away from, because you need a shaver there, and you know, once you're done, you wanna dry your hands up. You just gotta walk here. I think that's where I'm gonna use that plug. This plug here, I think we're gonna need it for other stuff like a shaver or a hair dryer or stuff like that, right? So, okay. So I'm gonna put you on the tripod right now. All right, there you go. So I'll put you right here. Yeah, that's perfect. You guys can see me work for a while. It's Thursday afternoon, after dinner. We have somebody coming in for a teepee tonight, so I figured to get this ready. They're not here yet, but once they get here, they want to use the bathroom, well, they'll be able to use this. Okay. Like there's a stud right there. Okay. You need to put a block because of the ridges. So I'm putting a 3/4 inch block. Started off with I'm switching. So I couldn't find screws and I had to use some other screws. Which are not bad. These are finished screws. So prevents the block from splitting. Alright, that should be good. And then Move it. I just like to make things solid, so I'm gonna add another screw in the block. Right more where there's wood. All right, this is a quick one today. I'm going to screw something up here so that it doesn't fall. Maybe I'll just screw something to hold all of this in, but let's try. My hands are wet. Okay, and then I need to dry. That's it. There you go. We got one. I'm gonna do another one in the girls' bathroom. And we got hand dryers now. All right, have a good day. And don't forget, if you like the content, give me one of these and subscribe so that you can see all the stuff I do here at the campground. Stephane from Blue Bayou. Have a good day.